shoes and get ready. Right? That's what we gotta do. I'm gonna fall down doing the video. We don't want to do that, do we?
No.
Nope, not at all. So what are we talking about today?
Car stereo.
Car stereos.
DS18.
DS18 and...
Suck it in.
Yeah. Camera has like 300 pounds.
Yeah, at least.
Alright, so we're talking about... It's been a minute.
Yeah, we've been busy.
Been busy, and just want to walk you guys around and show you what we're doing here in the shop. Got a lot going on. I know we haven't been doing videos, but we are actually working. We promise. We're not just on vacation, hanging out. Got a lot going on. You can see behind me, we have a lot in the shop. Got some cool projects we just finished up. We got this F-150, 1,000 horsepower turboed F-150, or supercharged F-150. Stormtrooper, which is a really cool build. We just finished this up. I'll walk you guys through what we did on that. We just finished up this Audi R8 for a local client. Full Mosconi Focal system in that. So let's start with this over here. So this is a F-150 2022, and we did a system in it. We did our two, I don't know what level this is called. Do we have a name for this system?
Mm-mm.
Okay, so it's system breakdown, factory head unit, DSP, 2 Pro 530 Mosconi amplifiers, Kevlar 3-ways in our custom A-pillars, and 4 6.5-inch subs in our downfiring enclosure. And our amp rack, of course, behind the seat, which I can show you guys first. Let's start from there. We did some extras on this one. Did an illuminated SG logo. He's doing the whole inside of the vehicle in carbon, white, and black, obviously, with gray. So got a lot going on. So we did this. I did this custom badge at the top of his amplifier rack with our logo, the SG logo, carbon, white, and black. Mounted our 2 Pro 530 amplifiers on the rack, bolted into factory locations. Of course, iConnects wiring front to back, and our custom made RCAs, as you guys see us do. You guys can't see any of that now, but that's that. So we got the 530s mounted back there. Behind the amp rack is actually the Mosconi 8 to 12 Aerospace DSP. It's kind of the brains behind the whole audio system. Allows us to get in here and tune it with the laptop, make it sound amazing. Enclosure doesn't really match the vehicle right now. They're actually redoing the seats in the same exact color as the enclosure. It's leaving here and going back to Colorado and getting that stuff done. But customer didn't want any type of lighting. This is our Stormtrooper themed enclosure. Carbon white and gray with the grill down toward the floor. I know it's hard to see in here, but that allows the sound from the 4 6.5s that are down firing to exit the enclosure, and also to protect so nothing can roll underneath the enclosure and get into the subs. So this thing came out really sweet. Customer's really excited. I really like the way it turned out. It was fun to do something out of the norm. And then for the front, hurry up, Don.
Waiting on the seat.
Waiting on the seat, guys. Waiting on the seat. All right, get this seat back. So in the front, you can see OEM radio, infotainment center, nice big screen, custom A-pillars. As you guys can see, we did new handles, wrapped them in gray. With our custom laser cut grills with a fine mesh that actually mimics the mesh on the pillar, mimics the OEM mesh on the door panel. So came out pretty cool. And of course, good old bass knob mounted right there on the side of the console is where we put that. And that's a wrap on this one. As you can see here, can't really see anything, but inside that door, of course, full sound treatment, block off plates, our custom speaker adapters, the whole 9 yards. So foam rings sealing the speakers to the door panel. So This one sounds really good. We just wrapped this up. They're actually picking it up any minute now. So let me show you guys our next little project we finished up. It's a Audi R8. Really nice sports car. We have made this custom trim, custom amp rack mount. We got a Mosconi Pro 535 channel and a Mosconi 4 channel running in here. So we have 8 channels for the high frequencies and 1 mono channel for the subs. So that's really cool. That actually lights up. I'll turn on the key for you. I don't know, it might wake up when I open the door. No, it didn't. So in here, everything's behind factory locations. There's a 6 in it. It's actually Kevlar 3-ways in here. So there's a 6.5 mounted on a custom adapter, 3-inch mid-range mounted on a custom adapter that we made, and then the tweeters actually fit perfectly, like clip into the factory location at the top of the dash, which was super cool. And then behind the seat, we have a Alcantara wrapped subwoofer enclosure for a pair of flax shallow 10s, and bass knob mounted on the side of the steering column.
Turn key on.
Turn the key on. Got to get some lights. Let me show you the lights. All right, so you guys can see we have the illumination around the amp rack. We also did, there's like a mesh pattern behind the amplifiers that's kind of to match the factory grill. We did his logo, of course, and then I actually wrapped the Mosconi amplifier inserts in carbon to match the carbon of the rest of the vehicle. So we kind of got all the cool stuff from the vehicle on here. The mesh, the suede, the Alcantara suede, some lighting, and some carbon. So I think it came out pretty dope. Pretty cool. Pretty amazing. Okay, so that's the Audi. Let me turn off the key so the battery doesn't die. All right, Audi, awesome Ford truck. Now let's go over here. This is kind of where all the shipping and receiving and orders are going out. We have some GM stuff going on. We got quite a few GM enclosures. Our 4.8 front firing vented with LED lighting. As you guys can see, we have different badging, High Country, Denali. We do a bunch of different ones with RGB lighting. These are dual zone, so this outer ring and this inner can be 2 different colors, which is pretty cool. We don't have it set like that right now, but it does work like that. So you can see we got quite a few. We have some more in the office over there going out today. So that's what we're doing here, and that's what's going on in the shop. We got more stuff going on in the wood shop, working on 4 or 5 Ford enclosures right now, running the CNC, getting that stuff done. So yeah, that's what's going on today. Thanks guys, thanks for checking in with us, appreciate it. We're busy here at the shop. Thanks for all the support, and we'll see you guys soon.